Hey guys, nice you guys, and we are home. Okay, well he's not home. We're in the blizzard. We are in the blizzard right now. Oh no!
I don't look good.
Hey guys, nice you guys, and Oscar's gonna run. And we are in the blizzard in Norfolk, Nebraska. Go, run.
Oh God.
So you can tell that we and Oscar have snow pants for this.
You don't want to come over here.
Oh crap, it is deep. Oh, guys, it goes up and over my knee right now.
Oh, dear. You might want to show them, Cole. Demonstrate, Cole. And I'm stuck here.
Oh! Oh God! Help! Oh, help! Oh God!
Oh, what the heck?
Oh God, guys! I am stuck, and snow got in my pants. Oh my God, guys!
You're gonna have to warp. You're gonna have to warp. And
Actually,
you're gonna have to warp.
I wish we could edit this out so bad, but we are gonna have to walk through all of this mess. I'll put this down.
This is for you,
I got the sensor, guys. I gotta put my pants, or my snow pants down. That is cold as heck. It touched my skin. And it's hard.
Maybe we can jump off the deck. How about that?
So guys, looks like me and Oscar agreed, or actually he wanted to jump off the deck. But I am probably not going to do it until Oscar does it first. Because I'm all about safety.
You're all about safety. What? What?
And this is how much we got to clean off. It's just going to be a lot. Oh God, my eyes! Oh God, guys, you are lucky you are not doing this. Actually, some of our neighbors are doing it.
I think I'm gonna jump.
But kids, jeez. So guys, Oscar's gonna jump. Wait, Oscar, let me get up there.
Well, I jumped, but
There you go.
I jumped. He wasn't recording. And take a seat, Cole.
Okay, I'm gonna take a seat.
See what we have to go through, Cole. Show them. You have to clean this whole deck off.
The whole deck?
Yes, the whole deck.
I'm talking to them, not you, stupid. Don't you dare. Oh, thank God. Oscar, jump off the deck.
Cole, I don't think I'm gonna do it because it's not enough.
I'm gonna do it! No, I'm just kidding. Oh, God, my leg is stuck in snow, jeez. Ah.
What about tomorrow morning when it gets like big?
I don't think you're gonna be here tomorrow morning, dude.
Because I might like jump off from like right there to the edge.
You wanna do it again tonight? Like,
Yeah, tonight we will. It's gonna pile up.
Because when's gonna pile up more?
Okay. If you want. So this is the blizzard in Norfolk,
Nebraska.
Yeah. And there's a bird feeder here. And whatever this is.
Yeah, we did that a while back last year. Or maybe this year. I don't think it was last year or this year.
We'll probably record in, I don't know.
2 hours or maybe.
This will upload, I don't know when, tonight or tomorrow. So.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and while Oscar's still talking. But I do hope you enjoyed this video, and like that button, slap it with your forehead. Have a great day.
Face.